Did you miss? Well, go and get it. Where's it at? It's right there.
Why it's hot?
Why?
I can't touch it hot.
Oh, it is this. No, it doesn't. It didn't go in the fire.
Did you say?
That big one you just throw on the ground. You can get that.
Why is it not hot?
It's not hot because you didn't throw it in the fire. So it's not going to be hot.
I got it.
Good job.
How about another box? There's a bloom over there.
No, that's the big one. You gotta wait. That's the big one. You gotta say hi to your mommy.
Where is he?
Huh?
Hi.
Say hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, now take this white thing here and kind of push that box up so you can make room for the other big one. Yeah, there you go.
Now put the other one in?
Yeah, now the big one will fit. Yeah, lay it on the swirl. There you go.
Put another one in?
Go ahead and put, this should be the last one, right?
This is the biggest one yet.
Yeah. Yeah, let's throw that on there. I think there's one inside of it if you want to take the little one out of the inside and put it in there first.
Yeah.
There's one on the inside of that big one.